What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I had a broken mic. Fixed it now. Everything's good to go. And I was playing a podcast, which actually releases next Friday, June 4th. It'll be available here on YouTube in video form and on Spotify and pretty much anywhere where podcasts are found. But today, we're talking about how to monetize your Twitch channel without being an affiliate and without being a partner. So the first way to make money without being affiliated or partnered is merch. Now, most of you are already using either Stream Elements or Streamlabs for your alerts. Both of these websites offer the ability to upload images and make merch. Now, you're limited on both Streamlabs and Stream Elements as a free account on what you can actually merchandise and what you can put your stuff on. But this is a great way to start. So as you can see here, I'm taking my logo and uploading it to the website. I can then readjust and resize the image on the shirt that I want, place it wherever I want, and then go into pricing. Now, pricing on each website is different. Streamlabs and Stream Elements make their own cut as well as pay for the shirt already. So they take care of everything, so you don't have to worry about anything of like that. You'll set the price, whether you want to be $20, $25, whatever you want to make it. Streamlabs and Stream Elements will take a certain portion of that and pay themselves as well as pay the manufacturer. But you can set the prices and set what you want to make as a profit. Now, if you're not using these programs to make merchandise and you're not merchandising before you hit affiliate, you really should think about it if you want to be monetized and want to make some kind of money. The second way you can make money without being affiliated is using Amazon affiliate links. This is as easy as going to Amazon, going to the affiliate program, and signing up. Now, this will give you an affiliate link that you can use in your panels. This affiliate link basically says, hey, this person clicked on my link. Anything that they buy on Amazon, you get a certain percentage of. So in setting your specs and setting what kind of equipment you use in a panel, like your mouse, your keyboard, camera, all of that stuff, always set these as an affiliate link and send them straight to Amazon to where they can purchase this gear. This will help you get that percentage back, as well as give them the fastest way to that product, so that way they can buy what you're selling. Now, before I get into the last way to make money on Twitch before being affiliated, we're going to talk about Discord. If you guys have a Twitch channel and you do not have a Discord, you need to set up a Discord. This allows your viewers to communicate with you outside of live hours, as well as just to hang out and be a community together. And within this community, you want to set your roles, which leads us into the last item, which is setting up a Patreon. Setting up a Patreon is super easy, and it's the fastest way to make money without being an affiliate. Now, the easiest way to set this up would be to set tiers. Set like a $5 tier, $10 tier, $15 tier, just like you would if you had subs. Now, what you can do with these tiers is give them special roles and give them special permissions in your Discord server. This will help motivate them to support you monthly before you can get into that sub goal. Now, I highly recommend, even when hitting the affiliate status, to keep your Patreon open. If you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell if you don't want to miss out on future content, as well as the podcast, which will be uploaded to this channel. If you want to leave a comment, maybe on a way that you make money on your Twitch that's not one of these three, please do that and let me know. And as always, until next time, I'll see ya.